Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review of this DecoPro 228-piece socket set, wrench set, overall tool set. And it comes in a box just like this. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And I'll tell you the reason that I purchased this is because you see two toolboxes and a socket set, and they still don't have all of the tools inside that this does here. So I like the fact that this is so compact. But let's go ahead and open it up here and move that out of the way. And has a nice solid carrying case here, hard plastic container. Also tells you a lot of the things that are in here as well. And when I open this up here, has two pretty solid clips right there. And as I open it up, right here you can see, I'm going to move this. This will be nice to keep in there so that all the tools aren't rubbing together. But right here you can see all of the different tools. I have my sockets all down here below. I have a mini saw. I have drill bits, Allen keys. I have insulation tape. I have a razor. I have all sorts of wrenches, crescent wrench. I got a hammer. I got a wire stripper. I got some extra tools. I have a level. I have some clamps here as well. I have a socket. I have wrenches. I have a tape measure. Literally so many tools all in one place. I think this is excellent to keep with you, especially if you're traveling. But even if you have a project, instead of running back and forth to the garage over and over to get another tool, keeping this out here is a great way to have all of the tools, or many of the tools that you're going to need, all in one place. Overall, I'm really happy with this. I'm glad I got it, and it's going to get a lot of use while I'm converting this Sprinter van.